Welcome to our channel. Experiencing Dropbox sync issues? Follow these proven solutions to fix upload errors and restore automatic file synchronization. Step 1. Check Dropbox sync status. Click the Dropbox icon in System Tray to see if syncing is paused or experiencing errors. Step 2. Verify available storage space. Check both Dropbox storage quota and local hard drive space for adequate room. Step 3. Restart Dropbox application. Quit Dropbox completely from System Tray, wait 10 seconds, then restart the application. Step 4. Check selective sync settings. Ensure the folders you want synced are selected in Dropbox preferences. Step 5. Verify file name compatibility. Remove special characters and ensure file paths aren't too long for system limits. Step 6. Clear Dropbox cache. Navigate to Dropbox cache folder and delete contents to resolve corruption issues. Step 7. Check antivirus and firewall settings. Add Dropbox to exceptions list to prevent interference with syncing. Step 8. Reinstall Dropbox if sync issues persist. Unlink computer from account. Uninstall Dropbox, then reinstall and relink. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.